Hi, Dr. Kowalski here with Kowalski Chiropractic, and in this video I'm going to be talking about allergies. A lot of my patients have been dealing with allergies, so I'm going to give you a few natural solutions to try to help with that. Have them written down here for you. So number one, healing your gut and cleaning up your diet. I'll probably have to make a video all by itself just to address all that, but the main thing with this is if you have a leaky gut, you're more susceptible for allergies, food sensitivity, all the things like that. So trying to eat good whole food, avoid a lot of the bread, the sugar, the processed food. I'll make a whole video of that in the future, but trying to clean up your diet is one of the ways to prevent allergies from even showing up in the first place. I know this is a hard thing to do, and a lot of us don't like to do it, like me, when you like ice cream and pizza and all that kind of stuff, especially in the summertime. So that's a little bit trickier, but I'll make a video in the future to kind of walking you through the ways to heal the gut and clean up the diet. But that's one way to prevent allergies from showing up in the first place. Number two is avoid dairy. When you drink a lot of milk or eat ice cream or any kind of dairy, what this does is it makes your body have more inflammation, and it also makes more mucus in your body, and it helps those mucus glands produce more of that, and that can contribute to more allergies, more allergy symptoms. Number three, chiropractic. So what can we do with chiropractic to help with allergies? So there's three main things we can do. The first one is the chiropractic adjustment. And so what this does is it takes all that stress off your nerves in the neck and upper back. A lot of those go to the glands that produce the mucus and the different allergy histamines. So if your body's not functioning properly and you're oversensitive, it can make your allergy symptoms worse. So just calming down all the nerves, making sure the body's functioning properly, that's what the chiropractic adjustment does. The second thing we can do is acupuncture. There's specific acupuncture spots in the face and in the neck that can calm the nerves down, and help if you're having a really bad allergy flare-up or sinus problems as well. And speaking of sinuses, that's kind of the third thing we can do with chiropractic care. If you have a lot of sinus pressure or just sinus symptoms from allergies, we can do this sinus draining massage, where we start with the sinuses, work our way down the neck, help everything drain and relieve some of the pressure, helps with sinus headaches and that as well. So those three things is the three ways we can help with chiropractic care. And number four is raw honey. So raw honey, what we can do with that is wherever you live, try to find local raw honey. If there's pollen in the air and that's what's causing your allergies, this can help by having the bees work for you. So they go out, get the pollen, make honey, and it's almost like a natural homeopathy, where if you take like a teaspoon of honey each day, it can help suppress those allergic reactions to the pollen in the air. So try that. I would start with like maybe 1 or 2 teaspoons of honey each day, see if you notice a difference with that. All right, the fifth thing you can do to help with allergies is taking a good quality homeopathy and some supplements that can help. I'll go through a couple that we sell in our office that seem to help myself and a lot of my patients. So this first one is called Allertox. What it does is it has a whole bunch of the seasonal allergies inside it. So you take a little bit of this, I think 5 to 10 drops, a couple times a day, and it just helps get your body used to those substances in the air. And so when you encounter those outside, you don't have as bad a reaction. So that's that one. A lot of my patients have a good result with that. And the one that works best for me, and I've seen good results with a lot of my patients, is called Allergy Relief System. And so this comes in 2 different pills. It has like this herbal supplement and then a regular supplement. And so the herbal, so you should take 1 pill of each. And what the herbal supplement does is it has same thing like the homeopathy. It has a whole bunch of those herbs that can help kind of lower the histamine in the body, help you react better to those allergens once you encounter them. So that's that one. And then this has a whole bunch of supplements that will help decrease the inflammation in your body, and again, just suppress those histamines, and so you don't have the big allergic reaction with the allergies. So those are the supplements that we sell in our office. Hopefully, if you're suffering from allergies, you can stop in, get those, and that can give you some relief, and it can help you avoid taking some of the more toxic drugs or medications that you have to do that kind of make you really drowsy or tired, or fatigued. So here's just some natural ways to help you avoid allergies, and so you can enjoy the summer now that it's finally here. Hopefully that helps, and you have a good rest of your day.